Good morning, students. Last chapter we have done similarities of triangles. Today we will start with the new chapter, that is circle. It's a very important chapter for your board exam. First, there are so many theorems are there. Part by part we will be going for the theorem. First we will do first 5 theorems. You learn the theorem, then you go for the exercise questions. Okay. First theorem, what is given? 15.1. The angle subtended by an arc of a circle at the center is double the angle subtended by it at any point on the remaining part of the circle. Subtended means what? Central angle tool means this angle subtended. That means what? If POA, I can say POQ equals to this angle PAQ. Means if it is 60, then it will be what? 120. If it is 30, it will be 60. Then double of it. Okay, just opposite also we can say, if it is given 90, then it will be what? 45. Why? See, I have written over here PAQ, just opposite this one only. This 2 will be coming here, it will be divided by 2 only. Then if it is given 70 degree, then what will be? This will be 35 degree. From inside to outside will be half, from outside to inside will be double. Okay, from outside angle to inside angle will be double. These things you keep in mind. Okay, next theorem 15.2 is also important theorem. The angle in the same segment are equal. Same segment means what? See, here I can say that AB, AQ, these are all what? Chord. AP also chord, BP cos BQ also chord, but you can say PQ also chord. See, if this is PQ is a chord, then what? This is one segment and this is other segment. From here this one segment, and from here to other, this is other segment. Then from here what we can say that PAQ, that means what? This angle and PBQ will be equal. If this is 30, this will also 30. If this is 60, this will be 60. When they are in same segment. I have written angle in the same segment are equal. Next 15.3, this is not so important, but just go through once. If a line segment joining two points subtend equal angles at two other points lying on the side of the line containing the line segment, then the fourth points lie on the same circle. There is nothing to go through once. Just see that A, B, as D and E are all these 4 points are lying. Definitely the other point will also lie in the same part. Then this 4 point making what? See, concyclic. They are known as concyclic. This is not so important, but main thing you learn this theorem 15.1 and 15.2. Next we go for 15.3. Here see this will be 15.4 we will go. 15.4 is also very important. See what is given? Angle in a semicircle is right angle. Semicircle means what? If I draw a semicircle over here, this is semicircle, this is P and Q, I can say this is O. See, this is a PQ is a semicircle of the circle, then definitely I can say this is also 90 degree. Why? If this is 180 degree, then half of it what will be? 90 only. Then from here also I have told here ACB equals to what? 90 degree. Okay, when they are in a semicircle. Next 15.5 is just the opposite of 15.4. In an arc of a circle subtended a right angle at any point on the remaining part of the circle, then the arc is semicircle. Then means what? Same, just the opposite. See, AOB equals to what? 2 into ACB. That the first theorem what we have done. Now from here, if AOB is coming 180 degree, if this is a 180 degree coming, then definitely we can say that then arc AB is a semicircle. Then arc AB is a semicircle. But from here I just want to tell you that 15.1, 15.2 and 15.4, these 3 theorems you keep in your mind. Learn this formula theorem and only, and then you go for the exercises questions. Now one question I will take from the exercise question only. See, I have solved over here. What is given? See from here. Here they are given a circle. The figure is given in your book also. They have asked to find the value of x. Now from here what you have done, see, AB is the chord I can say. Then from here see, this angle and this angle is forming what? In the same segment. The written what? ACB, ADB, both is what? 50 degree. Angle in a same segment. Angle in a same segment are equal. Are equal. Then from here, now our target is to find the value of x. X means what? This full angle, not this particular angle. This full angle you have to find it out. Then I have written in triangle ABD. In triangle ABD, ADB plus DAB plus angle x equals to 180 degree. Why? See, we have written what? Angle sum property. Now this angle is 50 degree. This will be what? 42 degree. You have just substituting value of this angle, and this is the x equals to 180 degree. Then from here, after adding this one, we get that x equals to 180 minus 92. Then automatically, what is the value of coming x? X equals to 88 degree. Okay. See, this is also a theorem. This theorem, that until unless you know the theorem or learn the theorem, will not be able to do more sums in this from the exercises. More sums will do, more theorems will be done in the classes. Okay, I hope today you've understood these theorems. This 15.1, again I am telling, 15.2, 15.1, 15.2 and 15.4. okay, these theorems you just go through once properly. Have a nice day, be safe, stay healthy, goodbye.